welcome back to Eat Travel Fan. I'm with my friend Kaiser, and he also has his YouTube channel called Kaiser Malik. So we are here in South Mumbai, and our idea was to do monsoon photography, but as you can see, it's kind of a sunny come cloudy day, but no rain. So we will be trying to change our idea, and we will be covering different parts of Mumbai in such a unpredictable weather and try to create some interesting pictures. So Kaiser, are you ready?
Yes, ready. Wear your mask.
Oh yes. We are maintaining all the precautions. So we will be wearing our mask, maintaining social distancing, and we will also be going to the areas which are not crowded. So our idea is to be away from the public but still get the element of Mumbai in our frame. So stay tuned and see what we can do. So our first location is Nariman Point. Now what we are going to do is that I'm going to take 2-3 pictures of me sitting and doing a different pose, and then I'll show you how I've converted that into a multi-me kind of a picture. So you will see that in post-production. So right now what you will be seeing is how I'm going to take a photo. In this, ensure that your background is very static and your camera is in the same place. In my case, I had sun and cloud coming in and out, so the picture had a little bit of changes in terms of the clarity. But if you are in the same location with the same kind of a weather, then you will have the same images, same 3 type of images. Now in terms of editing, I'm using a Snapseed and I'm using a feature called double exposure, in which double exposure I'm selecting the second image of me and then I'm placing it right in the place where I want the second me to be there, and by doing view edits and using the brush, I'm getting the picture of second me in the first image, and similarly I'm doing the process second time to get the third image of me in the same picture. So here I'm getting the third image, and now you have 3 me in the same location. Our picture is pretty much ready. Now I'm just giving a final touch up in terms of brightness, contrast and saturations to get the feel of the images out and give you that a monsoon kind of a vibe of this image. So we are done with Nariman Point, and now we are going to our second location, which is Asiatic Library near Horniman Circle in Fort. Now we are at Asiatic Library, and our idea was to take some photos on the step, but it wasn't coming out anything interesting. So what we did is that Kaiser will be sitting on the step and we will be using these मुरझाई हुई पत्तियाँ. So हम मुरझाई हुई पत्तियाँ यूज़ करके फोरग्राउंड क्रिएट करेंगे. So जिससे वो बैठा हुआ रहेगा, वो पिक्चर तो आएगा लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा एलिमेंट रहेगा. कैज़र के पिक्चर तो मैंने आगे फोरग्राउंड रख के किया. मेरे पिक्चर्स के लिए मैंने सोचा कि यही पत्तियों को क्यों ना मैं हवा में उड़ाऊँ और यही पत्तियों का फील मैं मेरे बैकग्राउंड में दूँ. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्राई टू डू by throwing it in front of camera and then later on throwing in top of me to get the entire image look. Our last stop of the day is Gateway of India, and surprisingly it's empty. Yes, it is completely empty. There is not a single soul except me and Kaiser, and we are just hoping no one comes and catches us. I think it's safe, and I'm thinking of some shots, but obviously you can't go inside, so I have to think of something from outside. So let's see what we can do, and it's just so peace and calm. Like really, all I can hear is birds behind me. That's the only thing I can hear. And also, the hotel is there. The whole street is empty. So I have a crazy idea. वहाँ पे इतने सारे कबूतर बैठे हैं, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं इनके बीच में से चलूँगी, तो प्रॉबेबली उनके साथ अच्छा सा व्यू आएगा जहाँ पे वो ऊपर उड़ रहे हैं और मैं उनके बीच में चल रही हूँ. सो लेट्स सी वो कैसा होता है. ये काफ़ी सिंपल है. यहाँ पे बस अच्छे इफेक्ट के लिए शटर स्पीड हाई होनी चाहिए, सो दैट यू गेट ईच एंड एवरी कबूतर का फ्लाइंग बिट इन द फ्रेम. इतना ही। हमने 3 जगह एक्सप्लोर की और हम और भी कर सकते थे, पर बहुत ज्यादा धूप है और ऑनेस्टली कुछ भी खुला नहीं है, ना खाने का पीने का, तो कहीं पे भी जाना घूमना करना इज नॉट वर्थ इट। व्हाट डू यू थिंक केजर?
अपने घर पे फोटो खींचना, बाहर मत निकलो because हालत खराब हो गई गर्मी में।
बहुत गर्मी में ना, सीरियसली हमने सोचा नहीं था। हम आए थे एकदम हसीन मौसम के लिए और हम पिट गए पूरे
हमारे ऊपर ही पानी फिर गया।
एग्जैक्टली। सो एनीवेज ये आइडियाज हमने ट्राई किए, जो भी हम ये सिचुएशन में कर सकते थे वो। और अगर आप बाहर निकलो, मेक श्योर करना कि आप खा पी के निकलो, बिकॉज रास्ते में कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, जो भी मिलेगा टेक अवे है। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज गिव मी अ थम्स अप। लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ डू यू लाइक द वीडियो, एंड फॉर योर वीकली डोज ऑफ ईट ट्रैवल फन डू सब्सक्राइब. You can also follow Kaiser on his channel.
Kaisar Malik, that's it.
Yes. Channel is there in my description. You can go and follow him as well.